Oh. Okay then. Ooh. So I figured since this is already happening, it's a perfect time to try to sneeze and well, you know, at the same time. Last time I stopped sneezing was once I tried. And I'm hoping that this time oh, come on now, don't stop. Oh. Okay. No. Oh. Whoa, the tickle's hitting my throat real bad. I got a few good ones in the beginning. Damn it. Don't slow down now. Boo. Okay, I think once I stop trying to confuse my brain, trying to sneeze and get off at the same time, we'll be in better shape. But I'm gonna stop this here, and yeah. And then if it happens again, I'm just gonna let myself sneeze, honestly. That's more important. I've already gotten off. Anyways. I'll see you in a bit.